I've been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1 year, 7 months, and 2 weeks. So far, I've achieved a 17.5% return rate. Check out the details in my latest video update. The past 5 trading days turned out to be another winner for us. The S&P 500 went up by 1.1%, adding another week to our winning streak. Now onto the economic chatter. The Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index showed a 2.9% rise from a year ago. While it hasn't quite hit the Fed's 2% target, we are still seeing inflation gradually tapering off. With robust Q4 GDP data, investors are clearly feeling bullish about the US economy. As a result, the S&P 500 hit a new record high last week. As for my weekly purchase, I bought $50 of VOO around 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Now I've got a total of 11 shares valued at $49.35. That's a sweet profit of $7.35, or that 75% return rate I mentioned earlier. Check out this chart tracking my entire investment journey. We experienced minor volatility at the beginning of this year, but since then, it's been smooth sailing as we steadily build our profit cushion. And that's a wrap for last week, folks. Investing just $50 every week has been a winning strategy for me, and it's all about staying the course. If I can do it, you can definitely do it too, and probably even better. Keep up the great work, and I'll catch you next week for another update.